hindi po lingid sa alaman ng lahat na the Christendom right now is being led astray, no, because of this the grace deception. So I just want to end this before with a short sharing of my key takeaways from Deacon Bob's message and before we head on to our closing song. So, yung grace po, based sa message ni Deacon Bob, it transforms us. And there's no excuses, mga kapatid. So, as we close, I just want to leave us with one important reminder about grace. In much Christendom po today, grace is often taught as a permission. Parang ganun nangyayari. Grace is now parang permission, mga kapatid. And that because we are under grace, obedience is no longer necessary. So yun yung teaching ngayon sa Christendom, mga kapatid. But when we look closely at scriptures, mga kapatid, we see that this idea is not biblical. And it is what many call the grace deception. And the scriptures, mga kapatid, never teach us grace without obedience. Instead, it teaches that grace is the power that enables yung pagsunod natin kay Yahweh obedience. So, kung naalala niyo po sa Titus chapter 2, verse 11 to 12, it tells us that the grace of Elohim teaches us to deny unrighteousness and worldly lusts and to live righteously and set apart lives. So, yung grace po, it does not excuse sin, and it trains us instead away from it. So Yeshua himself, mga kapatid, said in Matthew chapter 5, verse 17, that He did not come to abolish the law, but to fulfill it. And in John 14:15, if everyone was listening kanina, sa presentation din po, He made it very clear na kung mahal po natin sa mga Yahweh, susundin po natin ang kanyang mga kautusan. Love, grace, and obedience are never separated in scriptures, mga kapatid. And Paul, who is often misunderstood or misinterpreted by most of the believers, also reminds us, mga kapatid, in Romans chapter 6, verses 1 to 2. Shall we continue in sin that grace may abound? Certainly not. Grace is not a license, mga kapatid, to disobey. It is a call to walk differently. So let us remember that we are saved by grace. Totoo po yun. Yes, we are saved by grace, but we are saved for obedience, not from it. So true grace, mga kapatid, does not lead us away